Mystery respiratory illness is sending some dog owners into a panic.
The San Diego County Health and Human Services Agency says they're monitoring the disease but have no cases here. CBS 8's Abby Black talked to the Humane Society about what precautions to take to keep your pup healthy this season.
The San Diego Humane Society says that it's not treated any dogs with this mystery respiratory illness, but they still are encouraging pet owners to get their dogs vaccinated.
What do you think?
Dr. Zarah Hedge, Chief Medical Officer at the San Diego Humane Society, says she's aware of the unknown respiratory illness outbreak in dogs that's stumping veterinarians across the country, but it hasn't hit San Diego.
At this time, there's no reason to panic. I think it's just a matter of risk, and in all honesty, I'm not afraid to take my own dog out to places.
But some dog owners are afraid to even take their dog to a park, groomer, or board them during the holidays. We spoke to some at the Humane Society's vaccine clinic who say they're not worried but taking precautions.
I'm just being cautious when I take her out to those places to kind of look for things like that could be around from other dogs and such.
There you go. I've been looking into things and learning a lot, so this is my first dog. So I'm just trying to be very cautious.
Dr. Hedge says don't confuse this with the shelter's strep zoo outbreak from last month. It's been resolved, but there's still a temporary halt on dog surrenders until January 2nd.
Our outbreak that we had last month is different than what's going on nationwide, and that concern, we know what ours is. Ours is really a respiratory disease that's very much related to animal shelters.
This mystery illness in dogs doesn't have a name, but has been described as an atypical canine infectious respiratory disease. There's not a national reporting system like you say with the CDC, but there are cases popping up in at least 14 states, including in California and Los Angeles.
There's a lot of experts now that are thinking it's probably one of our general respiratory pathogens.
Dr. Hedge believes that since the test is expensive, some owners will wait to take their dog to the vet, and by that time, the pup has already shed the mystery virus or bacteria.
In dogs that aren't getting better, they may say, oh, now we should test, but it's been a month or 2 months, and so that dog is not going to probably test positive for anything.
If your dog is showing signs of heavy breathing, nasal or eye discharge, and not their happy self, call your vet. But most importantly, Dr. Hedge says, keep their vaccines up to date.
Make sure that your dog has all the preventive care to reduce the chance of them getting sick from the diseases that we know about.
Abby Black, CBS 8.